Hi, welcome to Sohaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make tiramisu from start to finish. This classic tiramisu is very simple and very easy to make. Usually, tiramisu is made with lots of egg yolks and whipping cream, but today I'm going to make it a different way that anybody can make this recipe very easily and without any problems. So I hope you join me. I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make this classic delicious tiramisu from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's our delicious classic tiramisu. Looks fabulous. It looks very professional. I already cut a couple pieces. I'm going to try some and I will let you know. Very delicious. Very silky, very creamy, it's not too sweet. I love the coffee in this cake. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you made this simple recipe. And if you have any questions or suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.